In this video, I'll show you how to customize the always on display on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So unlock your phone and go to settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down and select wallpapers and personalization, and then select always on display. Now under always on display, you will find a toggle to enable or disable always on display. And up here, you'll also see two options, which is the continuation and the system option. Now, the continuation option is simply the continuation of your lock screen clock to the always on display, as you have just seen that. This is just a mere reflection of my lock screen. So now, going on to the display settings, once you select display settings, you will be able to customize the widgets that appear on the always on display. And these are the widgets that you can see, and you can either remove them or add them as you so choose to see. So you can select this from the My Health app to see your steps and various other activity in form of workouts and all that. And then you can also schedule a reminder. However, this option will only be available if you've selected any other option other than the continuation option. So once you select any other always on display, you're going to be able to enable the schedule reminder, which is basically a reminder based on the permissions given from your calendar of any events that may be upcoming to be displayed on your always on display. Now, once you go back, let's go back to the home page. We have the landscape display option, which I've discussed in depth in another video, which I'll link down below. But once you make selections for your always on display custom options, they're going to be saved here. And this is the place where you can edit or remove always on displays that you no longer use by selecting the edit option, selecting the ones that you want to delete and tapping on delete to remove them. There are also more options that you can choose from for your always on display, which you can apply, a variety of them to choose from. Some offer customizations of the style. Others are immersive, like this one. Others show pets and are also animated like this one. You can tap on apply to choose if that's your kind of thing. And you can also have custom ones like this, where you can graffiti or have art font based on whatever you want. All these are options that are available to you to play around with. So we also have the digital dial options, which you can customize, for example, the style, the font, the color of the text. You can choose anything that you like, and you can tap on apply. You also have the analog options, which you can customize how the clock face looks like, the hand complications, how they look like, the text color, and simply tap on apply should you choose them. You have others like this, which you can choose to apply as well. A variety of options to choose from. Now, once you select all these options and select your always on display of choice, like I said, they're added to the My AOD option. But that's basically all you can do to customize your always on display. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.